To be honest, I bought this hole puncher for one specific purchase, and I guess I shouldn't be too surprised that I've used it again and again. I'm a tall person, and most bag straps are too short for me, so making extra holes in straps is what this is all about for me. It has a decent range of hole size settings, and I've been through about 5 straps of different sizes with no issue. I've also used this puncher to add strap functionality where there was before none. So, for example, here you can see I added some cheap hardware to the holes I punched in on the sides of this gorgeous Proenza Schooler clutch bag, and now I can wear it as a crossbody or shoulder bag. I like how sturdy and simple this tool feels. The metal construction gives me confidence that it won't bend or jam easily, even when I'm punching through tougher materials like leather or paper with more than a few sheets at once. The holes come out clean and consistent. And I also like this wee attention to detail here, a little hook that keeps it stable when in storage. This product is highly affordable and gets a big 2 thumbs up from me.